We're going to talk about a couple safe and simple solutions for odor control. We have two Norwex deodorants that my family loves. We have a Crystal Deodorant, which is the one I use, and also the Lysere Prebiotic Deodorant that my husband and boys use. So let's talk about something really important is our deodorant, right? 98% of biopsied breast cancer tissue contains what? Aluminum. And it's in so many deodorants. That is a staggering statistic and a big reason why so many of us are kind of rethinking what we put directly on our skin, under our arms every single day. So I've been using the Norwex Crystal Deodorant now for 4 years. And let me tell you, it has been a game changer. Not only does it work great, it's made from mineral salts that naturally stop the odor causing bacteria, but it also lasts forever. So this one's brand new. This is mine that I've had for a year. I love that. So this is probably my second one in 4 years, which has been an incredible savings. I used to use a clinical strength deodorant. So we're going to put this on. So what you can't see is just my bathroom sink. I'm just going to get this wet under the sink and rub it under my arm. It's like that easy. And you can actually use this in more places than just your underarm. You can use it under the breast line. You can use it on the bottoms of your feet. It's free of all the bad stuff. The phthalates, the parabens, it's odorless. It's not sticky. It's not staining. Most importantly, it does not clog our pores, which allows our skin to breathe naturally. And it's super safe and effective and long lasting. Now, the Lysere Prebiotic Deodorant, my husband loves this. He works out, works in the yard, all the things. It doesn't let him down ever. It is a nice alternative to some of the store-bought brands that we used to use, because it's strong enough to handle the man sweat, right? And all the man odors, also my teenage boys. And I'm not saying the Crystal is not, but what I think is my husband likes that this reminds him of a deodorant that he's used most of his life. Now this contains great ingredients, aloe vera, witch hazel, which not only fight odors, but also keeps the skin hydrated and protected. Let me open this up. This is actually my husband's. It has wonderful ingredients. It's free from, won't stain at all. It's free from aluminum, talc, and all the other nasties that we wouldn't want on our skin. Instead, it's formulated with awesome prebiotics that actually promote a healthy skin bacteria under our arms, keeping the bad bacteria and the odors away. And it lasts up to 48 hours of odor protection. And if you have teenagers, you know that any little bit of time you can stretch out a product that controls odor is awesome. So whether you decide to give our Crystal Deodorant or the prebiotic deodorant a try, you're making a choice that's definitely safer for your body. It's better for you, better for your family, and it gives us some peace of mind. So why compromise on our health when we can have simple and effective solutions and more of a natural odor protection with Norwex? And let's not forget, you're also making a choice that's kinder to your wallet, right? This one is like, I think $13. It's my second one in 2 years, which is astronomically different than what I used to pay. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. If you have any questions, let me know. These are big all-stars in our house. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.